Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amit, and today's topic is $1 million. So, why do I think having $1 million is underrated? And it's not worth all of the pain of people saying, "Oh, if I was a million." Yeah, if you are a multi-million heir, it would be worth it. But having $1 million is not really, in today's situation, it's not worth it. If you're looking in California or any major city, housing are expensive. If you live in, like, let's say DC, Arlington, Virginia, or even where I live, 30 miles out in Virginia, or you live in Maryland, any city, most houses right now is costing around 700 to $800,000. These are new houses or old one, but these are like really good looking house that has all of your amenities, maybe swimming pool, right? If you talk about $1 million, right? If you're gonna buy $600,000-700,000 house, don't you want to have that, right? So your half that money is gone right there. Then your next biggest expense is gonna be probably you want to buy a car, right? Not just one car, but you might want to buy, like, let's say two car, one sports car that you really wanted that might cost you $100,000, like the any most good looking sports car. So let's say you bought 700, 600,000, right? You're at already 700,000. Now your remaining $300,000, you wanna maybe, let's say, pay off your debt. Let's say you had 100,000, $50,000 debt, you pay that off. Remaining is somewhere between 200, 250. Maybe you gave certain amount of money to your family and friend, let's say 10K, 20K, just because you became new millionaire. Now you are down to 200K, and obviously you have not paid the government any of the taxes. So that $700,000 house, you still have to pay tax yearly. So think that, and then maybe the all of the expenses that maybe you want to travel, that might cost you 2-3 grand, and so on. So by the time you're done, that $1 million is not really that much of lips you. Now if you have, like, let's say $3 million, I would say you are rich and you are well into what I would call settled, because even if you want to do any, let's say, business, most businesses nowadays, let's say if you want to open up McDonald's, your franchisee fees itself is costing you, 500,000 and so on, and they want you to have couple $100,000 in your saving account. Let's say, for example, you want to open your own convenience store, let's say 7-Eleven, still, or gas station for that matter, cost money. And by the time you're done with putting that money in saving money, maybe you'll live within that million $100,000. But that's if you play all your card right and you didn't have a lot of debt and you didn't buy a very expensive house. Now what you could do is that take that $1 million and buy maybe $50 to $100,000 house where it's cost of living so cheap. Buy $25,000 car and pay off all your debt. Hopefully it's not that much, and then you can live off that $1 million, which is at 700,000-800,000. You can put it in, nice ETF, or put it in saving account, or you can even put it in not saving account, bond, or some other where it's not losing money, as we talk about. All right. So yeah, next time when somebody says that $1 million deal, just tell them, like, look, if you really want me to $1 million, I need to be more than that, because that $1 million is not really that much. All right. Thank you.